welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to wash my hair and do a relaxed hair routine, hair maintenance, relaxed hair maintenance video. I want to show you how I take care of my newly relaxed hair with some of these products that I got from Amazon that I heard was really good for relaxed hair, textured hair. Before I get started, if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join my little YouTube family here on this channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well on your way out. I'm funny, I think I am, and I would love to have you, stick around. So today I'm going to wash my hair. I relaxed my hair back in September, and it's almost time for a touch-up. I haven't done that yet. I was kind of holding off on it a little bit. I have gel in it because over the weekend I had a braided ponytail. And for a pop-up shop that I did, more information coming soon, I promise. That video was long overdue, but I wanted to get this relaxed hair maintenance video out the way. But let me show you what I'm using. So these products I did get from Amazon. This is an olive oil creamy aloe shampoo infused with aloe vera for rejuvenating moisture. It gently cleanses and detangles. Hopefully it's zooming in. This is a shampoo and conditioner that I found on Amazon, and the reviews were like stellar. I am a review shopper. I shop by reviews. If 6-7 people say it works for them and they have hair like me, I'm buying it. So I decided to give it a try. The part that I really want to talk about is this deep conditioner, because we all could use a good deep conditioner. This is the ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. I used to use this hair mayonnaise when it was like a different formula way back in the days. And I actually like using the mayonnaise. Excuse me. This is a hair mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. Conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair. My hair is damaged, is weak. I know that. Infused with nettle leaf, horsetail to nourish, while olive oil and all the other good stuff that's in here restore damaged and depleted hair. So I've been experiencing some breakage. If I didn't say that already, I'm trying to get rid of that, and so we're gonna go ahead and do that. See, because I haven't combed my hair in a couple of days because of but that's what I lost. And I really hate to see that, actually. Okay, so hair's all clean. Let me just detangle it a little bit so I can put the conditioner in. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like my hair grew a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the deep condition. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys that I'm using a steamer also to help the deep condition, the deep conditioner to get into all of my follicles. I can't talk. This is a Vaccaro portable hair steamer. This also from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. Let me open it up real quick to show you. I will list everything in the description below. But this was so I used to have a sit under dryer, and that broke. I used to put the conditioner in my hair, my girl's hair, and we used to just sit under the dryer and let that, at least like 15 minutes to help the deep conditioner get all the way through. But that has since broken. And so now let's just, I guess we're gonna unbox this real quick. My first time using a hair steamer. Again, nothing but wonderful reviews from textured haired women. And that's what we need. So this is, I took it out the bag. This is how it looks. I didn't read the, did it come with any instructions? Okay, so it has 3 temperature settings. It's a home hair spa, over temperature protection, so it shuts off if it gets too hot, and high quality and premium material. So it feels sturdy, feels nice, and it's like a little basket. But you can see it comes with your gauge here to monitor your temperature, the power button. I'll probably just sit here and plug it in the wall in my bathroom. But this is, I got the Hawaiian, I think it's called Hawaiian something. And just sits on your head like that.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Okay, so my hair is washed and deep conditioned. I left the conditioner in for 15 minutes under the steamer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair out. And I'm going to use this Taraji P. Henson Ride or Die Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair and figure it out.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Alright, so my hair is all blow dried. I was thinking about just flat ironing everything, but just to keep my little bob going. So it feels nice and soft and not too heavy from the oil. I like how it turned out. So my hair is definitely growing. My hair growing. It's growing. I'm gonna go ahead and put some clip-ins in my hair for some, I keep looking over here to my mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and add some clip-ins for some added length. And I will be back. Better length clip-ins. I love clip-ins. I think they are the best invention on earth. I plan on getting more. I have a couple of other textures when I was natural, but this one is for relaxed hair. For freshly, it says freshly relaxed hair. So it's straight. And I love to wear these clip-ins when I want a little bit of length. I like to wear my hair short in a bob. I love that look. I love short hair. I love pixie cuts, but every now and then I want to have some length, and the best thing to do is use clip-ins. I'm not really good with wigs and all that. Even though I love the wigs, I can't do the wigs all the time. I do love these clip-ins though.
If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time
Okay, so all the clip-ins are in. I'm gonna go ahead with this Janae Mickles flat iron because my battery is dying, and it's so cute because it has a cat on it. I'm just going to flat iron my hair just to blend in a little bit, which is already, it already is blending in. And I'm just gonna flat iron my hair I'm gonna flat iron my leave out so that I can cover up the tracks, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did some makeup off camera. I finished my hair, and this is the final look. So I just added in those clip-ins to my regular hair, my straightened hair, and this is the final look. I really like these clip-ins. They are so quick and easy to do without all the gel and the spray and the stocking cap and all that. You just set it and forget it, like the chicken. So yeah, this is the final look. Let me just turn around. I think they're like 18 inches, these clip-ins. So yeah, I'm all done. That's it. If you want to take a look here, you see a couple of my gray hairs. So you can tell that I need a touch-up, but it actually works better when your hair's a little bit textured, so I can cover up the tracks and the clip-ins. So yeah, that works for me. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. But before I go, I just wanted to show you this necklace. This is a piece from my line, Culture Charms, which I will be introducing you to very, very soon. It says Faith, and hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna have a video coming up, like I said, very shortly to introduce you to my business and to let you see what I've been working on. But with that, I'm just gonna go. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like my hair, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.